Remember, drug discovery historically, before any kind of computers, was a kind of a black box. You were dumping things into test tubes, hoping that you accidentally discovered something like Ian Fleming with penicillin or whatever it was. Then we got some computers involved, and it's helping make some progress, but they're not very good.
He wants to go. He wants to go. I can prep him for jail. Learn some rap music, homie. Learn how to rap. Tell them dudes inside all about quantum. Oh yeah, quantum. Yo, check out new dude in cell 8, Nico, bro. He like a quantum magician, yo. Yeah, he a quantum physicist. He can look at my teeth. No, that's a dentist. He a physicist. Oh, okay. Actually, quantum can be used to look at your teeth. Go mouth. I can simulate your whole hood. It would take billions of years on a classical computer. Dimitri, roll me in jail, man. You kept me company. Shout out to Dimitri. There's a quantum guy, Shell 8. We gonna rob him. I don't know. He's some scientist or something. All right, let's rob him. Need to see them papers. You touch any kids? No. But quantum computing could help with that too. Hey homie, you ain't on the streets no more. You in jail. Ain't no quantum in here. Actually, quantum mechanics happens at the subatomic level. You just can't see it. Ow! I don't think NVIDIA's gonna acquire one. Definitely not. NVIDIA acquires one of the quantum companies, man. I quit investing. It's over. NVIDIA didn't put much money in Quantinuum. Don't worry about that. No, I quit investing, period. If NVIDIA buys IonQ, Rigetti, D-Wave, or Quantum Computing Inc., I quit investing forever. People haven't talked to me like that in a long time, buddy. This portfolio, man. Rigetti. That's what they used to call it. Now, it's not Rigetti, it's Spaghetti Rigetti. Spaghetti Rigetti. No regret. Chad Rigetti is sitting here saying, like, what happened to this company that I started? How is it worth this much? You know, he's a YC guy. He's a YC funded. I was down 60%. They were trying to kill Shkreli. I just sat there like this, bring it on. And eventually clawed it back. And now, unfortunately, continue to be pummeled in quantum. But quantum's day will come, my friend. The bubble can't last forever, man. Hope none of you out there believe that. Willow was like, yeah, I guess it was 9 months ago. It's definitely one of the most painful shorts ever. Not for me, just me. Like, carried out of this trade. The top is in. The top is in. Oh, top is in. Top is in. Hangul. Now we go to war with Korea. The top is in. Can't you see? That's a tiny decline. The top is in. Papa is ina. No, tech portfolios are not long this stuff. Short or has avoided it. No one on brain is buying quantum. They're just squeezing Shkreli, man. They think it's funny. Squeezing Shkreli. Okay, I got something for you, don't worry. Only one not going up is Joby. Look at Joby. Top is in, top is in, top is in. You understand? That's my circle of competence. Anything I lay my eyes upon is my circle of competence. And everybody who's done the expert calls with quantum, everyone says the same thing. It's all lies. I don't think you need any more expert calls with quantum. Nothing real about quantum. Just jumping in and buying the stock for no reason. Because it's going up, and they think it's gonna go up more, because it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Don't worry, don't worry, I'm fine. Still at 90-something%. Okay? It's not fine. It's not gonna be fine as you when I hit you with the nunchaku. Yeah. Nunchaku.
And try to write down this syllable on your own. Did you get it? Okay, let's move on. So here's our next consonant, and it's pronounced kind of like an N in English. The stroke order for this one is just one stroke. It starts from the top, going down, and then to the right. It's more like na.
Nah.
Again, for each of these syllables, pa.
Pa.
Pa. I'm not saying ta, and I'm not saying da. I'm saying ta.
Da.
Ta.
Da.
Ta.
Da.
Ta.
Yeah, top is in, top is in. Andreas, I mean, just not being too large, and then making money on other positions. A lot of people over-index to one position. You could have 20, 30, 40 positions. It's just in? Yep. What's that? Top is in? Look at IonQ dropping. Woo! Look at Open dropping. Let's go. Bang the close. Bang it. Oh, Rigetti below 25. Rigetti.
상단은
상단은.
상단은
Top is in.
상단은
Risks. Like, oh, I don't know, the risk of a recession? The risk that money is worthless? It's made up? It's fictitious? The risk that AOC decides to print $1 trillion zillion to pay for everybody's gender transformations? That's what shorts are for, okay? You know, if you try to invest in North Korea, you'll actually be sanctioned, possibly arrested. Who owns a stock? The only person I care about is me. Some guy owns a stock, what do I do? I can't make up my mind. Let me listen to somebody else.
He died like a dog.
And he died like a dog. All you losers are asleep, dreaming of being rich. Me and Logan Paul are trading heel moves. Boom! Boom! Can't wait to make my WWE debut. Then watch Logan, he's gonna go face on me and just throw me in the dumpster or something. Go ahead, go on github.com/Martin Shkreli /models. You can download all my models absolutely free, forever free. I will short more open, because you make me work on it. See, I didn't want to short this. You guys make me do this. You make me do it to you. Look at this number. This is the number that matters, 88. I need that above 90 ASAP. ASAP. It's got to be above 90 at least. My accounts go up. Your accounts go down. And I don't care. I don't feel bad for you. Stick to your job. Stop trying to invest. That's for professionals only. And all professionals use Godel Terminal. Head to godelterminal.com right now. My kid's smarter at 4 weeks old than you will ever be. It's true. It's true. More profits from my quantitative platform. Boom! 288.37 closing out GE for a profit. Boom! 51 trades. 33 profit. 65%. Boom! Let's look at open with pattern. This is open doors last 30 minutes. It says probability up in next 10 minutes is 55%. You know what? Let me play with the numbers. Maybe I can get that to change. Yeah, there we go. With 200 neighbors, the probability is less likely. In fact, I think it's going to be that right there. 50 neighbors. Let's, instead of softmax, we'll do uniform. We'll do 2000 K. Let's only extend for 30 minutes. Let's run that simulation. Yeah, I made this software. I'm the man, not you. Yeah. 47% probability up. That's not looking too good. That's not looking too good. So there it is, it's dropping. That's why I'm better than you, is I can predict the future. You can't. You can't predict the future. I didn't change the numbers, I just adjusted the inaccurate forecast. I'm built different, simple as that. Let me run this. Math isn't mathing. 50 is just the display size there. The sample size is 2,000 out of 6 billion. Okay, so the algorithm is flashing by on most things. HTHT, do you guys know what this is? H World Group Limited hotel company in China. That's a long, apparently, okay. Roper, TTD, I'll give you some alpha for free. Some of you need it. Buy some stocks in some real companies. Trade Desk, CrowdStrike, that's a real company. KDP, Keurig, it's a real company. Manhattan Associates, another real company. Stop trading this garbage, man. Open door, stop it. Western Dig, I call it Western Dig because I'm cool. You might call it Western Digital. But if you're old school, you call it Western Dig. Bridge Bio, interesting. It's talking about Bridge Bio's short. This thing's just been going up nonstop. It's up nonstop. Oh, I didn't close my quantum shorts. Are you stupid? I love this carnage. S&P down 15 bips, but I smell some burning. I'm long. I have Sarepta, Abivax. I like Palantir too. Akiro, EQ, Precigen. Plenty of longs, dog. I don't just go short. That would be a stupid strategy. Because what if the market goes up? I can't only go short. They all look the same to me. 𝗠𝗔𝗬𝗣𝗅𝗧𝗏, what's up? What's up? I'm back. I'm putting all my money in Berkshire. Why? Because I can't pick stock for shit. I already know. 𝗠𝗔𝗬𝗣𝗅𝗧𝗏. You guys want to check in on Buffett? See what Buffett thinks? Open door has really good gross margin. I love to see that 8% gross margin. That's remarkable. Remarkable gross margin. Really good moat. It's a moat. Berkshire, we love moats. This is a good moat. I love to see the negative cash flow. It's it's setting up for a comeback. I'm long America, and that means being long American housing. So that's why I'm long Opendoor. There you have it, Mr. Buffett. Yeah, I gotta get it
more because there were just so many pieces at this point that if I were trying to tune into everything every day, then it would just be too much context switching. So
I've always fancied Emma Watson, but I'm a married man now, so I'm not worried about Emma Watson. And she's kind of a social justice warrior as well. I don't know if you guys knew this, but she was like very, very. I think she said she was self-partnered. I thought she was amazing, and she also seemed like she's pretty smart too. But then like sometimes, I don't know. Yeah, she is an Ivy League girl, exactly. But my girl's way smarter. I'm not sweating it. I'm more concerned with Quantum, man. Quantum doesn't want to quit. I'm having too much fun here. I'm not working enough. Let me see here. You guys know what the hidden number problem is? That's your bank account is hidden number problem. I got a hidden number problem. I don't got no money. They're hiding the numbers from me. Call that a math problem. Hidden number problem. Yeah, I like the innuendo. That was really advanced thinking. Like you don't have AI flirting like that. She was like making the analogies. She was like, how much leverage do you want before you blow up? It's like, what? I never had a girl say that. That was pretty wild. I don't have any guitars in the office. I did in my last company, maybe. I mean, they're not that useful. They kind of set a mood, I guess. I don't know, Michael. It seems like nail in the coffin for Quantum is never going to come. And that's kind of a good sign that it's probably coming soon. Cover CLS. What's my job? I'm your boss. Okay? Now go do some push-ups. Go do some real work. Stop being an idiot. Now listen, Quantum can go up the same way Enron or WorldCom went up. I have no problem. Have your fun, man. Just don't forget to get out. Have your little fun. Drunk at the party. I'm your boss, or I dock your pay. Oops, I docked your pay again. That bonus is coming up a little short. Sorry, buddy. You didn't do so great. Yeah, you're not going to be able to take that vacation, buddy. I'm sorry. We need you to go ahead and come on in on a Saturday, pal. All right, pal. I'm saying pal, but you're not my pal. Yeah, you better say yes, sir. Yes, sir. I value my job in this AI economy. I know you can replace me with a robot, sir. But you're being gracious, sir. Thank you, sir, for not replacing me with a clanker like Emma Watson, the clanker. I have not. I don't drink. I'm too old. I do drink coffee. No, there's no drug that's going to enhance brain power. Not anytime soon. Just accept who you are, that you're not that smart. It's okay. Look at Mark Cuban, right? He's not that smart. He figured out how to make some money. Maybe you can do that too. I don't know. I don't really know what it's like to be that dumb. That's not my thing. Maybe I don't know. Do you guys like think the same way as normal people? When you cross the street, what's going on in your head? I don't know. I can't even fathom. You're buying Opendoor. I mean, you can't possibly be like the rest of us. Clearly, there's some impaired cognitive function there. You guys are making me go back to being a bad guy. I don't want to be a bad guy. I was chilling. Want to start it? Fine, I'll end it. How about that? I'll end it. I'll take the stock to 1. Ask Atyr. Go ahead. Ask Sava. Ask all these guys. Ask INMB what Shkreli did to them. We're not going above 1050. We're not going above 1050. I'm not letting that happen. I'll make 2 phone calls. I'll make 2 phone calls. Who can I call right now? Who can I dial for dollars? Let's see. All right. Ooh, yeah, I know a few of these guys. See, none of these guys are actually bullish. They're quants. 𝗥𝗢𝗘𝗢𝗣𝗀𝗘𝗏. Okay. These are all quants. They don't have any. Where are the institutional investors? Where are the institutional investors for open? Don't tell me it's just you idiots. It's just you guys? No. Where are the institutions? Nobody smart owns this stock? Nobody? I thought there was some smart bulls here. What? You tell me you don't have an institutional investor? A retail investor committed to an institution. I'm down about 2 G's today. 2%, 1.5%. Yeah, the thing is, the quants they're not long the stock because there's anything bullish about it. They're hedged. Did these people who get paid to invest, they're avoiding the stock for a reason? Why do you think they're avoiding it? Maybe, listen, maybe the next quarters at 13Fs will have some investors. This, I think, is the value at. Yeah, that's right, T Finances, it's per month. And the price of the bricks going up. Leonard, listen, you know as well as I do what's going to happen to these trash stocks. Right now, cash is trash. But soon, my friends, cash will be king. You know it and I know it. There's a party, everybody's drunk. I'm sitting there like this. I'm the nanny. I'm the Karen. I'm the guy saying, this party is out of hand. It's outrageous. And people are laughing at me. Everyone's pointing their finger, saying, Shkreli, lighten up. Buy some quantum. Buy some open door. And I'm sitting there like this, I won't do it. And then guess what happens? The police come. And they start arresting people. They might arrest me. But regardless, that's just something they like to do. Bad analogy. The party's over. Everybody gets hung over. So what happened? What's going on? Did I buy that trash? I think I did. Oh man, you bought Joby? You bought Aklo? Oh, I got wasted and I bought some Open Door. Is that a company that flipped houses on the internet? Yeah, that's crazy. See, you guys are getting money drunk. You're doing things that only a crazy person would do. You bought JDS Uniphase, March 2000. You bought Newegg at 100 because you thought you could squeeze Shkreli. Wrong! Boom! Another 10% for Shkreli. Boom! Who wants to see P&L attribution? You want to see P&L attribution? Who wants to see it? Who wants to see that's going to look lovely? Who wants to see P&L attribution? This is probably the top for Open Door. That CEO, he might be gone in a year. I mean, you just sell it, Mike. You get really lucky, just sell. There's no such thing as quantum. Stop it. It's a fantasy. It's science fiction. Think you do, but you don't. It's just ridiculous. What can you do with a quantum computer? Show me. When amateurs get lucky and they think it's good. You don't deserve it. You're just going to lose it again. You just like the rush of like temporarily being right. You know what it's like when you guys give each other advice and talk about investing?
When it comes to your future, this
is what it looks like when you do that. I was long open all along. I should have been short. Oh.
I'm the CEO. So are you familiar with the Microsoft Press Computer Dictionary?
No.
You've never cracked it open before?
No.
Okay. Well, I'll introduce you to it. I have here the Microsoft Press Computer Dictionary. It's the 3rd edition, dated 1997.
Iceman, is this not premium? Iceman, everybody stop. Everybody's got to stop. Iceman, is this premium or not? Is this YouTube premium? I got to check. It seems like it might be YouTube premium, dog. Everybody stop. Your premium benefits. What does that say, Iceman? I want to see my premium benefits. Premium. Oh. Premium since I got out of jail. Premium. What does that say, Iceman? Man, someone ban this guy, man. It's over. It's over, Iceman. They want me to run speed test. .net. Hold on, Baglocky. You need a better video card. Which video card do I need, Baglocky? Which video card do I need? I need a better video card, he says. Which video card do I need? Speak up, 𝗥𝗏𝗘𝗢. What video card do I need? No, I'm asking 𝗥𝗏𝗘𝗢. I'm not asking you other fools. What video card do I need? It's over. Roses and F in the chat. It's done. It's done. 𝗥𝗏𝗘𝗢, you're done. And I'll get a 5080 just to spite you. Take out the trash, please. Take it out. F's in the chat. It's over for you, 𝗥𝗏𝗘𝗢. Sorry, buddy. Thanks for coming. Rest in peace. You need a better video card. What, am I playing Crisis?
As something that would.
Yeah. Uh-oh, Open's going back to 10 again. Are you guys selling? Don't sell. Keep the faith. Be in the Open army. You got this. Don't let the short sellers win. Oh no. Yeah, William, success became punished. And who's punishing it? Bunch of liberals, bunch of haters. Oh, I can't let them make that much money. I know capitalism is competition, but they're making too much. I have to stop them, or they make even more satisfied customers. You left me on, we talked a little bit, and then you left me on red. But like I said, the guy's just, let him run his company. He doesn't need to talk to me. I don't think rate cuts and Open really make a difference, dog. You're reading a little too much into that. What matters is, do they have a business that makes sense to you? And can you explain that in one sentence? Go ahead, I dare you. Tell me in one sentence why the business of Open Door makes any sense. Go ahead. Let's go, Anonymous. Make sure you buy as many Goodell subscriptions as you can for your friends, family, and coworkers. Winners, 12%. Losers, 81%, which nets out to 131%. There you have it. That's the attribution. You should do that for your own portfolios. Oh, wait. You don't have a portfolio. You have one stupid stock that you're betting everything on because you're an idiot. I don't think people should invest if they're not professional investors. It's like, Ken Griffin said this as well. Do you want to go play in the NFL? Why would you want to do that? You're playing against guys like me? You're playing against guys better than me? We're going to fight you with everything we have. We're going to try to take all your money. We have experience, we've got network, we've got every tool you can imagine. Yeah, my gains and losses on biotech versus tech is... Maybe, Omar, I don't want you to have my personal financial information. How about that, Omar? All right, is that good enough for you, Omar? All right, Omar? Us, professionals, people get paid to invest. That's okay, Thallium. You can. You saw there was, 68 wins? How many losers were there? Do you remember? 35, 33? I don't win on every trade. Nobody does. Oh my gosh, I got one wrong. God forbid.